Take a boat to Glacier Bay National Park and Preserve, the 25 best things to do in Alaska. There are a number of ways to experience Glacier Bay National Park and Preserve, which is located off the southern Alaskan coast near Juneau, but the only ways to access it are by plane or boat. Many people visit Glacier Bay as part of an Alaska Inside Passage cruise, and day-long boat tours of the park are also available from Juneau and other southern Alaskan communities near the 3.3 million acre park. As you make the chill and quiet journey through the fingers and inlets of Glacier Bay, you'll have the chance to see several major tidewater glaciers as well as a variety of wildlife. The area around the town of Gustavus, at the southern end of Glacier Bay National Park, offers most of the amenities for land-based adventure, including the park headquarters, visitor center, accommodations, and a small airport offering 30-minute flights to Juneau. While Glacier Bay National Park and Preserve is open year-round, services in the winter are extremely limited, and the Visitors Center and Visitors Information Station for boaters and campers are only open from May through early September. Boat tour and cruise availability also vary by season.